bike, but I never use it.
All right, good morning, folks. Saturday, November the 9th, 8:54 in the morning. And this is Fred, Victor Echo 3, Foxtrot Alpha Lima, Ontario Northwest Bushcrafter and Outdoors in Thunder Bay, Ontario, Canada, YQT. So this morning, the game plan here is to swap this CobWeb antenna out with this one down here. These antennas have been built by this guy right here. This is Ron. Ron, I want you to introduce yourself. Your call sign, hobbies.
Okay, so Victor Alpha 3, India Romeo Foxtrot. My hobbies are motorcycling, kayaking, and playing with ham radios. And so it's too early in the morning for me. I'm using it up
and building antennas.
So Ron is the one who designed this antenna, this particular antenna. I gotta be careful how I say that because there are other CobWebs out there. We call it a CobWeb because it does look like a CobWeb, and Ron is the one who designed it and built it. So the antenna that's here, his antenna, and the one I have at home, this is the guy here that built and designed that antenna. Now this character here, this is whose house we're at, who we are replacing this antenna for. I want you to introduce yourself, your call sign and hobbies, please.
Okay, my name's Derek. My call sign is VE3XXS. I'm into ham, metal detecting, and fishing and stuff like that, like every Northern Ontario does.
All right, so it's minus, when I left home it was minus 5.3.
Yeah.
It's not too bad. Sun's coming up. The day is going to be nice. I think plus 10, minus 3 here in town. And of course down here we've got Rocky.
Shivering, he got his hair cut.
So what we're gonna do is like I say, we're gonna take this antenna down and we're gonna swap it out with this antenna, and then we're gonna test it inside. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put you guys on hyper speed while we do the antenna change here. So I just gotta find somewhere to sit the GoPro, and I'm gonna set it up on hyper speed because it will take too long otherwise, and we don't want to hear the cursing and the swearing. So I'm going to turn this off right now, and I'm going to put on hyperspeed, and we're going to go to it. So I'll be right back. All right, folks, so it's 9:19. The new antenna is up. We are hearing a lot more signals off of this antenna. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna tune around inside, do a bit of listening, and I'm gonna put the analyzer on it, and we're gonna see how this antenna is tuning up on the analyzer. So we'll catch you just inside.
But both Fred and I have always done that. Want to try it also?
All right, so here we are, folks. We've got the rig expert on, and you guys can see we've got a good SWR, acceptable SWR for the tuner. We have an ICOM 718, and we got the ICOM tuner, and we've got 2.5, 2.9, 2.7, 2.9, 2.7. So we're all around the same area.
You want to try it with the Ballon ones, just for kicks?
Yeah, we can do that as well with the Ballon and see what happens. So just give us a second.
Yeah.